Now, we're going to go over now to Canada, just to show you how to set that up. I got nervous earlier today because there's one thing you need to do in Canada when you set it up. Basically, I just clicked up here and see the little flags, the Canadian flag now. And you might have seen you can actually see there's .com.au's now showing up there. So this is a whole new thing. I don't actually have an account, I don't believe, under this email address. Maybe I do. But yes, they're all showing up there, and so you can move between accounts. And if I was in the UK, that would also be showing up there. So the first thing you need to do in Canada, and there will be a warning, is go into account info. It moves all of the information over. So if you look at your seller profile, everything's there that was already there in America. You can see it's exactly the same. But the one thing that you need to do is the deposit method will be vacant. Yeah, so and so you basically need to go into assign a deposit method. And earlier today, it had amazon.com.mx and then amazon.ca, and I just clicked assign, and it put it into the same account number that that America had. So it's a very easy thing to do, but it is something that you need to do.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.